largest zoo here in the UAE.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أسعد الله مساءكم بكل خير. يسعدنا ويسعدنا كثيرا جدا تواجدكم معنا في منطقة الطيور الجوار.
We begin our show with one of the most famous birds in this country, and that is the falcon. To help us out, we need a young volunteer.
الصقر من أشهر الطيور. محتاجين طفل صغير لهذه الفقرة. طفل صغير. طفل صغير. ويت. قوم. Come here, please. Hi. Your good name? Kyle?
Kyle?
Where are you from? India? Where is your left hand? Sure. Ask your turn. Comme ça. Sure. Sure. Put it in your left hand, please. You like bird, Kyle?
I don't know, Kyle.
Now what's going to happen, we're going to bring on a very big bird for Kyle, alright? So Kyle, I hope you're ready. The bird's really quite big. But don't worry about it, it's a very nice bird. Okay, all you're going to do is just look that way. A really big bird's going to come. Just hang on there. Watch carefully.
There, huh? Okay. Oh, wow.
That over there is Zulu, she's our Castro, they're part of the Falcon family. A big hand for Kyle, there you go.
ننتقل إلى نوع آخر من رعاية الجوارح البوم الطائر الذي يستخدم الطيران هذه في إيجاد الفرائس.
We move along now to the silent hunters of the night. Now that over there is Barney. Barney's our barn owl. Now owls, they got very soft feathers, so when they fly, it's very quiet. Now what's going to happen, Barney is going to fly across all of you. Now what you want to do is shh, and try and listen if you can hear any wing beats.
هذه البومة هي البومة البيضاء تتواجد في جميع أنحاء العالم غير القارة القطبية الجنوبية. خلقت البومة كي تطير بشكل هادي وهذه الخاصية تساعدها في إيجاد الفرس. لازم تجلس يعني لو سمحت علشان البومة تطلع.
Okay, everyone. Nice flying there.
سيطر على الجماعة. بالليل مع انعدام الرؤية البومة تستخدم حاسة السمع في إيجاد الفرائس. لنجرب مع هذا الصوت لحشرة تسمى جرس الليل. الغذاء المفضل لطائر البومة. شوف كيف البومة تحصل الصندوق الصحيح باستخدام حاسة السمع.
Owls, they got a very good sense of hearing. Now that sound you heard just now in the cassette recorder was made by an insect called a cricket. Now crickets are very small, but they're very noisy. What's going to happen? We're going to put this tape recorder in one of these boxes, and our next owl is going to find it. But we need your help. Which box should we put it in?
اختاروا الصندوق اليمين ولا اليسار؟ بس خل ترضى أنت إن شاء الله.
يمين يمين
يمين. يسارك. خلاص إن شاء الله.
All right, let's bring on our next owl. Where did he go? Oh, hi, Barney. Okay. Whoa, there you go.
أنا بعد مكان صندوق وأشوف مرة ثانية. خليه لا تغش روح بعيد.
All right, let's bring back Barney. Barney, where's the sound coming from?
لا حد يغششها.
Oh, there you go. Nice going,
شفنا
Barney.
كيف البومة باستخدام حاسة السمع استطاعت أن تجد الصندوق مرتين متتاليات. ما زلنا مع عائلة البوم والبومة التي تتواجد في صحراء دولة الإمارات. البومة الصحراوية الشمسة.
This is Shamsa's our desert eagle owl. Take a good look at this owl. Now, how many degrees do you think this owl can rotate its head?
كم درجة البومة تستطيع أن تتوسع حول جسمها؟ كم درجة؟ كم درجة؟ نو، فور. بومة بدون رأس، نقول بومة مع الرأس.
22.
أقول لها إذا لفت كامل بتم البومة بدون رأس. يا 720. Kabayan. Your team, ask your team. Ask your team.
Yeah.
270
360.
No.
250.
270 صح. هاي تيم. 270 درجة تستطيع أن تلقى حاجزها من اليمين إلى اليسار نظرا لأن عين البوم متابعتين فإن الفقرات الإضافية في العنق تساعد كثيرا في إيجاد الفرائس.
From left to right, the owl can rotate its head at 270 degrees. Thank you, Shamsa.
طيب لما يصطاد الفريسة لا يقوم بتقطيعها مثل باقي الطيور بل يلتهمها بشكل كامل مثل ما بنشوف مع البومة النسراية على ايد المدرب فهد والبومة الحليبية على ايد بكر. بنشوف كيف البومة وبتبتلع قطعة اللحم التي تقريبا طولها 30 سنتيمتر بسهولة.
What's going to happen? We're going to have a feeding competition. So what's going to happen? We're going to feed the owls long pieces of meat, big pieces of meat, all right? When the owl starts eating, you have to clap. Because the faster you clap, the faster the owl will eat. So what's going to happen? We're going to split you into two teams. You get from everybody from here all the way to that side, okay? All right, so you guys have to clap for our Milky Eagle owl over there, the third largest owl in the world. Now everyone, you guys are on my team and we are going to win. All right, so this is our desert eagle owl. You have to clap when he starts eating. Ready?
Clap it. Clap.
Keep going. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to move things a little bit faster right now. So we're going to bring up something a little bit faster for you. You guys want to see something exciting?
Yes.
10, 20, 35. The rest of you, thank you so much for coming. Have a great day in the zoo. Bye-bye. Come on, you want to see something exciting?
Yeah.
There you go. Everyone, if you're ready, look right over there.
صقر الهرس نشر الأصوات والصوت تسمى لأنها تصطاد بشكل ما الصوت تستطيع أن تصطاد صخور صغيرة في الجو كما تستطيع تصطاد السباح.
Out there over there is our beautiful Harris hawk. Harris hawks are also known as wolves of the skies. They are one of the species of birds of prey. They are known to stay together and go hunting together. That's how they get the name the wolves of the skies. And these birds are very good at catching their prey in mid-air. Our trainer is going to bring the bird all the way to the back, and then we're going to try it from this side, alright? So you guys want to see it one more time? Do you guys want to see it one more time?
Yes.
Very good, that's good. Please come back tomorrow.
العقاب طيور قوية تمتلك مناخير فتاكة مقالب قوية أجنحة قوية تساعدنا على الطيران إلى ارتفاعات كل هذه العوامل تجعل من هذه الطيور فعالة جدا في الصيد.
The eagles, right? They got sharp talons, they got curved beaks, power and ability to soar at great height, which makes them very good hunters. Now, if you got your camera, get your camera ready because we're going to bring out our big eagles. All right, fasten your seatbelts. We'll be right back. Enjoy your ride.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
eagles in our trainers.
هذا العقاب صياد الافاعي القصير المصبح متخصص بالصيد الافاعي الواجد في صحراء دولة الامارات مرورا الى افريقيا.
A beautiful short-tailed eagle from Africa. These birds are snake hunting specialists.
من العقبان الى النسور واكثر النسور في افريقيا. هذا النسر هو النسر المرقص تستطيع ان تشاهد فوق 30 منه يتغطون على جيفه واحده.
Now this is our beautiful repelled griffin vulture from Africa. Now pay attention to the tree. Something's going to happen. Watch this. Lining all the way right up there.
لما تتغذى على الجيفه تستخدم الراس والعنق وهذا الشيء يحميها من نمو البكتيريا.
Vultures do not have feathers from their heads all the way down to their necks because when they are feeding, the head gets very dirty. Having no feathers decreases the chance of bacteria and infection.
يستاهل الطائر والمدرج يستاهلون تحية.
And now it is time to play another game. This time, all of you are his team. And you, all the way to this side, you guys are all my team, okay? Now we're going to try this one time and we're going to see if we can win them, all right? Do you want to see the largest bird of our show? Yeah! Oh, we're going to lose now. You try. Good luck.
You want to see the largest bird in our show? Yes!
Okay, you win.
Of course.
Let's bring out Asa, the largest bird of our show.
هذا الصقر أصغر الموجود من أجرى الصقر والنسور في أفريقيا.
This is Asa. He's our leopard-faced vulture, the largest bird of prey found right here in the UAE.
هذا النسر يمتلك منقار قوي جدا يستطيع أن يمزق جلد الجاموس بسهولة.
But the beak of this bird is so strong, it can tear through the skin of water buffaloes.
يمتلك طول جناحين يصل تقريبا إلى 3 أمتار.
Asa's wingspan measures in an impressive 3 meters. That's 10 feet from wingtip to wingtip. Look at that. Asa, show us your wings all the way back inside. Big hand for Asa, there you go. Landing of one vulture attracts other scavengers.
هذا الطائر هو الحدث السوداء يتواجد في أوراسيا أو أفريقيا الهند باكستان يطير بشكل مجموعات فوق ال1000 طائر في مجموعة واحدة.
This is our yellow-billed kite. Birds like this can be found in places like India, Pakistan, in groups of thousands of different species circling looking for food.
هبوط نسر واحد تهبط مع النسور والطيور الأخرى مثل النسر في أفريقيا هو النسر الراسي الأبيض وطيور أبو منجل اللي مهمة التغذية على جيفة من بعد النسور والعقبان.
That over there is our beautiful white-headed vulture from Africa. Now you see the white birds? Now these birds are these two are scavengers and they will clean up after the vultures are done to prevent the spread of bacteria and infection.
أجمل وأكبر عقاب موجود في فصاحة العرب هو العقاب الذهبي أو الشمالي باللغة المحلية.
Now when food is not enough, what happens? Eagles and vultures fight for food, like this one. The largest eagle found here in the UAE. This is the golden eagle. With the human population increasing and the need for natural resources, the animal population is decreasing. What you want to do is to start conservation today. Join a conservation society in your country. Let's preserve all these wildlife so that when our children grow up, they get to see more of these beautiful creatures in the wild.
اليوم مع التقدم العمراني في الخطاب التنموي الحياة الطبيعي لازم نحن كبشر نتكاتف ونحافظ على هذه الطيور والحيوانات من الامراض. وصلنا لنهاية العرض اتمنى قد وفقنا في ادخال الفرع على قلوبكم قبل ان تبتسم على اشفاقكم. شكرا لحضوركم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
With that, we come to the end of our show, but don't leave here. After the show, please come on down, take pictures, ask questions, have a good look at our birds. Let me here for a short while. It's been a